Here we got about a 1912, 1913 Robbins and Myers 11 series oscillator. This is list number 1153, which denotes that it's a 12-inch oscillator with the self-starting Robbins and Myers made motor. This is the second year of R&M's first gear-driven oscillator. In 1904, Robbins and Myers introduced the Charles Eck patent lollipop oscillator, and that was direct current only. And then in 1908, they introduced the alternating current lollipop, which used the Westinghouse tank motor. That motor they would use up through 1911 on their first Gearback, which is what we call these, and then which was a centrifugal start motor. Turn to the side here. As you can see, the paint is all original, as is the brass. Striping is pretty worn on it, sadly, but that's what you get for a fan that's 108 years old. The reason it's a 1912, maybe 1913, is this grease cup here, the top mounted grease cup. In circa 1914, they moved it to the bottom here, at least in the front of the motor. Here's the oscillator gearbox that gives it its name, the Gearback. Interestingly enough, the R&M kept very similar castings to the Westinghouse style. You can see these vents are very reminiscent of the Westinghouse tank. It's got the original flag badge here. These are very fast oscillators. They run great. Turn on the first gear, high speed. And that's how fast it's supposed to go. It's on the maximum arc setting. It's adjusted by a shoulder screw on the oscillator wheel. Down to medium. Nice difference in speeds. And the low speed. A very nice fan. If you move the oscillator arm here into the middle, it'll stop the fan from oscillating, making it a stationary fan. As you can see, it's quite different looking than the 1404, its stationary counterpart. It's got a much taller base. Obviously, it doesn't have a yoke. But these are nice fans. Pretty collectible, and I would definitely recommend picking them up. As you can see, they run great. They don't have a motor whine. All in all, a nice early fan and early gear-driven oscillator. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.